Alright guys, so we're on this other hunting trip. Brought a buddy of mine out, put him in a real good spot. So we're gonna see if we can get something. I'm gonna go to another spot, hopefully I can get something. Alright, there he is right there. So alright, he just went in the woods. Let's see if he comes back. Let's see. I'm trying to move so I can get like a pop one. Alright, so he's back. That's the first one I was looking at. Oh, he's going for the hole. I'm about to take him out because there's a hole in the gate right there. Got him. All right, guys. So enjoyed the hunt. We was able to bring home 3 hogs. The other guys didn't have anything to record their hunt with, which bring me to this point here. So the ATN, the Binax 4Ts, excellent for recording what you're looking at downrange. Also with the ATN Thor 2.525, the 640, ATN Thor 4 640. I love that thing, coupled with the Coke 308 with the YHM Resonator 2 can on it. It's an awesome setup. So when the hog went into the wood line, I was able to go to the woods, look in the woods with that right there, and actually pinpoint where that hog laid down, which was 20 yards into the wood line after he'd been shot. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like more hunting videos, definitely let me know. And again, the food does not go to waste. We eat or we give away. Salvation Army, other families, friends that eat, they're going to have it. They're going to get it. And we love delivering it. So, as always, guys, stay safe, be safe, and watch y'all 6 out there.